In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a serial number to a table in Microsoft Word. This is a straightforward task that can save you time when organizing your data in a document. Whether you are working on a roster, an inventory list, or simply trying to keep your information in an orderly fashion, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started by opening up Microsoft Word. You'll want to start on a fresh document or open an existing one where you need to insert a table with serial numbers. For our example, let's assume we're working with a clean new document. Begin by navigating to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Here you will find the Table feature, which allows you to design a table suited to your specific needs. For this demonstration, we'll be creating a 7-by table, a size that provides ample space for various entries. With the table in place, move on to the next step. Start by clicking on the very first cell of your new table. Type the words serial number into this cell, as this will serve as the header for the column where your serial numbers will begin. It's always a good practice to clearly label your columns so anyone reading the table will know exactly what kind of data to expect. Not to mention, it adds a professional touch to your document. Once you've labeled your column, it's time to insert those serial numbers quickly and efficiently. Head over to the Home tab on the ribbon if you're not already there. Focus your attention on the Paragraph group, where you will find the Numbering button. This feature is incredibly useful for automatically generating a sequence of numbers and eliminating the need to enter them manually. Click on the Numbering button, and you should see a drop-down menu with various numbering formats. To align your numbers to the left within the column, proceed to adjust the number alignment. This option ensures that your numbers maintain uniform alignment, which is vital for both aesthetics and readability. Select Left Alignment from the list, and you'll find your table takes on a neat and organized appearance. This small tweak enhances the overall presentation of your data, making it look tidy and professional. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a table with a serial number column that will automatically populate as you add new entries. This approach not only saves time, but also reduces the possibility of errors, ensuring that your data remains accurate and easy to follow. Remember, once you have set up this template, you can use it over and over again, customizing it as needed for different projects or documents.